Good afternoon, everybody. I am presenting this my study of antimicrobial study of Ras Manikya with a special reference to skin diseases. Ras Manikya is a potent Ras yoga of Hartal. First time it is described in Rasendra Chintamani by Dhundubnath, called Rasam Manikya Prabham because its color is like a ruby stone. Second time it is described as Kumud Ras in Siddh Bheshej Manimala. It is a potent medicine used for Jwar, Kash, Shwas, Ash, Bhagandar and skin ailments. The present study was carried out in 3 steps: preparation, analysis and antimicrobial study. The first sample was prepared by Abrak Patra method, that is, the powder of Shuddh Hartal was taken and put in, clipped into Abrak Patra and put on flame, and when all the Shuddh Hartal powder was molten and achieved the color of ruby stone like, and yellow fume was going to vanish, then the flame was put out and the material was allowed to cool, and the Ras Manikya was obtained. In second method, that is Kupipak method, the Shuddh Hartal powder was filled in a bottle, layered with soiled cloth and put in Baluka yantra and was put on low flame, that is called Mandalni, and when yellow fumes were produced and when yellow fumes were going to vanish, pariksha was done as a probe was put in the molten material, and when it was allowed to cool, it was dried into fine needles. That we can say the Ras Manikya is prepared, and we allowed to cool the apparatus and achieve the Ras Manikya after breaking the bottle. Then the analysis was done for both the samples, and it was found that organoleptic characters like taste, touch and smell was the same, but the color of Ras Manikya prepared by Abrak Patra method was bright brick red color, but the the Ras Manikya prepared by Kupipak method was pale brick red color. In quantitative analysis, the percentage of arsenic was more in the second sample, but the percentage of sulfur, ferrous, magnesium, calcium and silica was more in the first sample. Then antimicrobial study, the sample was chosen for prepared by Abrak Patra method because arsenic percentage was less, and so we thought that we should use the first sample for the antimicrobial study. And standard drug was taken ciprofloxacin, and bacteria was chosen Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus flexner and Vibrio cholerae. And the method was used Agar-Dis diffusion method, that is also known as cup plate method. There are the results of Agar-Dis diffusion method, and from this table we can conclude that Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus flexner shows sensitivity up to 13 mg per ml concentration of Ras Manikya, but Vibrio coli shows sensitivity up to only 125 mg per ml and 62 mg per ml concentration of Ras Manikya. So we can conclude that Ras Manikya has potent antimicrobial activity on the bacteria which can cause skin ailments. Thank you.
John, for the question.
The study is done in vitro or in vivo?
In vitro.
Vitro.
Yes.
In vivo what happens?
That is to be carried out in which?
Is Hartal basically arsenic?
Arsenic.
No sir, Hartal is orpiment As2S3.
Arsenic.
It's an arsenic sulfide.
Yes,
So
arsenic.
when you do either by Kupipakwa
Yes.
or by the Abrak,
Yes.
what you are doing is you are taking arsenic and sulfur, Gandhar,
No sir, a compound of arsenic and
It's
sulfur.
already a compound.
Yes.
Only you are purifying or shodhan by
Yes, we have purified it by Svedaning Dolayantra in the Chunnodak and Kushman Swaras.
So what is the official solubility of arsenic sulfide in water?
Sir, I can't got your answer.
He wants to know what is the solubility of arsenic sulfide
In what sir?
in water.
No sir, it is insoluble in water, so only a suspension was used in distilled water to make them in contact of the.
So your measurements of milligrams per whatever was a measure of a suspension density,
Yes.
not of a solute.
No sir, suspension.
It's a suspension.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.